Hello, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. If it's not your first time, welcome back to my channel, where I do a little bit of everything because I'm so all over the place. In today's video, I'm going to be making milestone onesies for babies. The supplies needed for today's DIY are 12 onesies, heat transfer vinyl, a heat press or an iron or some other hot device that you use to iron your vinyl on, a cricut or silhouette machine or a software so that you could actually design the logo. And then we'll also be needing scissors, a weeding tool, and a ruler if necessary. Okay, all right, let's get this thing started. First things first. All right, I know I started a little late, but what I did, I already designed my impression that I'll be placing on the shirt. So that is actually the infant's name, and in this case, it's Aiden Alexander. And I've done the 12 months. So I have month 1, 2, 3, on through 12. Couldn't decide if I was going to go with 1 year or 12 months, but since I was with the months, I kept it that way. So we have months 1 through 12. Also under the numbers is the word month, as you see here. So now I did them, I set it all up and printed it out on my Cricut machine using heat transfer vinyl. I'll put the vendor in the description so that you can follow up. And then also the names of the fonts in case you're interested in using the fonts. I typically download all of my fonts from DA Fonts. Okay, so from thefont.com. Now here we are. So now I've already printed it out and I'm going to start setting up or start weeding out my throwaway parts, the scrap vinyl. Okay, pretty fast, simple. Matter of fact, I'll speed that up so we can get through it. All right, so now that I'm finished cutting out the vinyl, I've actually sat them on top of the t-shirts, the onesies rather, so that we can see how they would look when done. Now on the smaller t-shirts, my initial t-shirts, I used a newborn. So for months 1 through 3, I used a newborn t-shirt, and that total graphic is a little smaller. I'll have to measure it and provide the measurements, but that one is a little smaller. And then for the next 3 months, I upsized the onesie to the next size. And then I did that again for the next 3 months. And then for the 1 year, trying to actually guess out. Now, I've seen a lot of people post these, and what they do is just use stickers that you can put on the t-shirt. I myself didn't care for the sticker. I wanted to go ahead and go with the onesie and put the transfer actually on it to make a more permanent onesie. Time to press all these shirts, so I'm going to go ahead and run them through the heat press, and I'll show you what they look like in a second. That was pretty short, sweet, and to the point. Now that I'm finished pressing them on, now look at the onesies and how they turned out. We have all of the months going from 1 through 12 months old, a more permanent fix as opposed to the stickers. I kind of like it. Matter of fact, I love it. So let's get some packaging. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave comments in the comments if you have any, and to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, I do videos as often as I can on as many different topics as I can. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you.